does bad things happen to good people, Daddy?
Maybe they're not as good as we think they are.
Do you believe in heaven?
Do you believe in hell?
Mom?
There are unforeseen powers in this world.
What is happening to me?
You're in my poetry now. There are verdicts against you. Repercussions are across. Have you ever felt like you're in two places at the same time?
I didn't ask for this.
Nobody alive asked for any of this.